Hello everyone, this is Tamil Chelvi from the Department of Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today, in this video, we are going to explore an important environmental issue, that is land pollution. In the next few minutes, we will discuss its causes, effects, possible solution, and how we can use a problem-solving approach like design thinking to tackle it. Let's get started. What is land pollution? Land or soil pollution occurs when human activities introduce harmful substances into the land, degrading its quality and damaging ecosystems. It's a growing environmental concern, one that impacts not just soil but also air, water, plants, animals, and also human health. Causes of land pollution. Now, let's look at the causes of land pollution. There are several major contributors. Industrial waste dumping is a serious issue, releasing toxic chemical into the land. Second one, excessive use of pesticides and fertilizer in the agricultural land that degrade soil fertility over the time. Third one, deforestation and soil erosion that disturb the natural balance of the environment. Next one, plastic and electronic waste that mainly accumulate in landfills and taking years to decompose. That's the main problem. And the last one is mining activities that remove the topsoil and exposure the land to contamination. Effects of land pollution. These harmful practices have several negative effects. Here I list out some effects. First one is loss of soil fertility that affects crop productivity and threaten food security. Second one, contamination of food and water sources that leads to unsafe consumption. Third one, destruction of natural habitats that forces wildlife out of their ecosystem. Next one, health issues in human and animals that arise due to the exposure to toxic chemicals. And over the time, land pollution contributes to climatic change through deforestation and methane release from the waste. Prevention and solution. So, how do we combat land pollution? Some effective prevention methods include reducing waste generation and actively recycling materials, using organic farming techniques instead of harmful chemicals, ensuring proper disposal of industrial waste through regulations, afforestation projects that restore green cover and prevent erosion, and most importantly, conducting government awareness campaigns to educate the public and the industries. Land pollution and design thinking. An interesting way to approach this issue is through design thinking, a structured, creative, and user centric problem solving method. In design thinking, we have five stages. The first one is empathize. In this phase, empathize, we gather information about the problem. Why is land pollution happening? What are its impacts on the people, animal, and the environment? This step helps us to understand the issue deeply. The second stage is define. In this stage, we are going to solve or identify the problem. What are the main sources of pollution? Who is affected the most? And what challenges exist in reducing pollution? Next stage is ideate. In this phase, we brainstorm potential solutions. Ideas might include stricter waste management laws, promoting recycling and composting, encouraging business to adopt sustainable practices, and developing eco friendly packaging materials. The next stage is prototype. Once ideas are ready, we move to the prototype phase where we turn those ideas into practical models. For example, launching community waste management programs, creating biodegradable packaging trials, or by organizing educational companions. Finally, in the test phase, these prototypes are tested in real world scenarios. In this phase, we gather feedback from the people and from the industries and monitor the outcomes. And finally, we fine tune the strategies based on what works best. Conclusion. To conclude, land pollution is a major environmental challenge, but with awareness, sustainable practices, and creative problem solving like design thinking, we can address it effectively. Each of us has a role to play in protecting our planet. Small changes today will lead to a healthier and greener future. Thank you all for watching this session till the end. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And more than that, subscribe for more educational content on this topic, environmental issues and sustainability. See you in the next video. Thank you all.